How to change the language on your Steam account. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you can install this Steam on your phone as well as your PC, but someday you might want to change your language after you have already installed it. Then you must be wondering how you can do that. So even if you're using a PC or mobile, this step all works. So just follow the following steps. What you need to do is log into your Steam account. After you log into your Steam account, you just need to click on the Steam in the top menu bar. You can see there is a menu bar and you need to tap on the Steam right there and go to the interface tab, and after that you will select the language you wish to drop down menu. Click on OK and then select the restart Steam option, and after that your Steam will restart and the game will have to be installed again and the languages will be changed just like that now. So do try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.